Friends, there is a pigeon and he has only one leg. You can see he is work everything like flying and eating and right now drinking water. Here you can see. Hello everyone, good morning to all guys. I hope you all are doing well and I am also fine. So right now I am sitting on this chair you can see behind me, and this area is my hostel, and this is open terrace, and right now I am sitting and recording videos. If I talk about my today routine, so today I woke up early morning at 5 a.m, and after that I go to freshen up, and I do exercise like push up uh, and meditations, everything. And after that I take bath, and after taking bath according to every day routine, I read 5 page English book. Okay, and after that I came outside of my room and recording videos. So as you know friends, I am here to improve my English speaking. Okay, uh, who are no don't know about me, so uh, I would like to tell you about myself. So my name is Golu and I am from Bihar. I am practicing English every day in front of camera and recording videos and upload on YouTube. I have a small YouTube channel and there is no so much subscriber, but still I practicing on this channel. Okay, so I hope I expect to you all. So friends, you all are maybe you are you want to learn English, so you will have to start like me. Okay, so I am not a good speaker in English, just I am learner, so I practice every day and improve ourselves. Okay, so according to everyday routine I came at this place. You can see this is terrace of my hostel, and I have a shooting video from only one location because I can go outside of my hostel, but uh, I did not go every morning. Like I can go and shoot video in uh, campus, college campus, but I I should practice here. Okay, so I recording video every day from this location. And friends, since 5 month I every day practicing English. uh, if I talk about 5 month ago, I was zero, but I can't speak English single word, but right now I can speak. I able to speak in front of camera, so this is my real improvement. And anything is not scripted like that. Okay, so everything is a reality of my speaking English. Let me tell you friends, if you want to improve your English like me, so you will have to start every day watching so many content in English and try to speak in English. Okay, so it's no need to speak fluently from starting days, but you will have to start from a little with little sentences like I am here, my name is Golu, and I sitting on this chair, and in front of me a lot of people. And right now it's a morning time, and I am going, I am eating. That's that's type of sentences you will have to. Friends, let me show you behind my hostel views. So this this area is behind my hostel. You can see there is so many tree here, but there is no tree behind, just behind my hostel. And here is a small canal. You can see in this canal not so much water, but yeah, a little bit water is flowing here. And here is a cloth line, and on this cloth line some clothes are keeping, and this is for drying, like here is a wash, and here is keeping for dry. And also my cloth is here. This is my cloth here. Let me show you friends, today weather is so good, not so much sunny, because there is a little bit a cloudy moment, so sun is not clearly visible, you can see here. And weather is so beautiful, not so much sunny. So and wind is blowing slowly, very slowly. And here is a playground. In this playground we are playing cricket, not every day, but sometimes we are going to this field, and we are playing. Here is a brick kiln. On this brick kiln a lot of brick, and here some vehicle like tractor or JCB. And here is lot of tree, different types of tree. This view is behind my hostel. This is my hostel view. That's all about in this video guys. And how you like this video and how you feel this video, so please tell me in comment box. And what should improvement our content and our learning English speaking skill. So if you know about all, so tell me in comment box how I can improve ourselves. So everything is tell me in comment box. And if you like this video, so please like, share and support me. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Please subscribe and like on this channel. Every day I share my real English speaking content. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching this video till end. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye bye.